Another video for a helpful guide in gcss-army. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to build a non-standard material number from a vendors such as GMS, Parts Master, Lawson. All their part numbers you can convert to a material number that you can go ahead and then create the PO and order the part. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. Part one is just building it. So let me share my screen. Alright, so the T code you're going to be working with is ZNONSTD, non-standard. Alright, so I've already preloaded, so you need a couple critical pieces of equipment when you're building this. One, you need the vendor's cage code, their part number, you need your force element number, you also need the price, the class of supply, and the FSC code. Okay, so talk to your vendor, they'll have all that for you. So I am going to build product from Lawson. It's a truck line kit. It comes with 4 chalk blocks, 4 drip pans, and 4 funnels. So once you put the part number and cage number of them in, you're going to hit no. It's going to load this screen. So you can see when you put the cage code in, it automatically identifies as a Lawson product. So you want to put a description of the product. Quantity is each. So for most of class 9 is always going to be 2590, and your SCMC code is going to be your 9 Tango. I already know the price. Right. So down here, requesters AKO address. Make sure you put that, and then just some comments to help you know the release strategy. So once you build all this, the most important piece here is the price. If you don't do the price, then when you go to build it, the actual order, you're not going to be able to get through the Z-gap screen, right? So all you can do is hit save. Now it's building the material number for you. Sometimes it may take a while, but it's working. So this is extremely helpful, especially if you're trying to get nut and bolt bins or any kind of tools or any specialty equipment you need in your motor pool. You may need a vendor. I know most of these vendors are in the process of getting, material numbers, NSNs, and NINs. So the material was added. Okay. So there is your material number and cage code combined, and this will be your material number when you actually go to order and build it. All right, so make sure you write that down. All right, now you're good to go. It's built. So hope that video was helpful. Like I said, I'm going to show another video actually go into a different T code and build the order and release it. Thank you guys for all your support. Please hit that like button and go Ordnance.